Wala na, nandiyan na siya. Patakbo na siya dyan. Oo. Siya yun, kaway-kaway. Oo. Diyan ka lang, oh. Diyan. Diyan. Ayan na siya, Achi, oh.
Baka hindi siya lumalabas.
Achi, ayan na siya, oh. Ano ba yan? Natakpan pa. Ano, how was it? How was it?
I was standing there for like 15 minutes.
How was it?
Yung reading comprehension, di ba mga full paragraph yun? Tapos 80 items, tapos 60 minutes lang.
So, overall.
Dami kong blanco dun.
So, overall.
Pero at least right minus lang. Buti nga hindi ako masyadong nailang na magkaroon ng ROM. Kasi 1/4 lang naman daw ng ROM yung tatanggalin eh.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Pero reading comprehension, dami ko. Ano kasing haba ng mabasahin.
how about the math?
Math?
So, how was it?
Ano naman siya, parang kalahati, hindi mahirap, kalahati mahirap.
Ay, ganon. So?
Ewan, mahirap. Ay, picture. Yung iba parang logic-based question.
Wait lang. Dun. Iniwan na ako ng mag-ate.